Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are tackling a very common Instagram question. Is it actually possible to mention back a close friend story? Let's get straight into it. Here is the direct truth. No, you cannot directly mention back or repost a close friend story to your own profile. When someone adds a story to their close friends list, Instagram locks it down strictly for privacy reasons. Because that content is meant only for a specific private group of people, Instagram disables the Add to Your Story button completely, even if the person explicitly tagged you in it. However, you still have a couple of simple alternatives to interact with their post. First, you can reply directly to their story, which will send them a private direct message. Second, you can create a brand new story on your own profile and tag them in it. Just keep in mind that their original close friends picture or video will not be visible on your post. A quick warning, you might see third-party apps or websites claiming they can help you bypass this privacy feature. Do not trust them. Instagram keeps these stories completely private for a reason, and using unverified tools puts your account at high risk of being banned or compromised. If this quick tip cleared things up for you, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, straightforward tech guides. See you in the next video.